Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small project share. I just wanted to come on and show you. I've been playing a little bit with my vinyl and with my Cricut, and yeah, this is what I came up with. This is some cups that we see at Dollar Tree and sometimes even Walmart. But I picked this cup up. It's the little Mickey, and my vinyl journey. I did layering with my vinyl, and I thought that was super cute. Great party ideas if you have little ones, or if you're having a big birthday party. It's a great way to personalize it. I also added this right here. I was trying to cover, I guess I could redo it again, but I think I'm out of this red vinyl that I love. I was really trying to cover up that barcode. I couldn't get it over, but I really wanted to put that on there, and look at how shiny and perfect that is. And then I found another cup, but this is a Minnie Mouse, and I used the same cut file that I used here. I just made it a little bigger, and I layered that on with some fuchsia, light pink, and some white, and I thought that came out so adorable. And I'm going to be gifting this to my friend Ebony. Yes. Spoiler alert. But yeah, I just added her name on the Minnie Mouse cup because the other cup has her logo right there. And yeah, I just really want to get it out to her also. So that's it. I just really had fun. Well, I don't want to say fun because I was struggling. The key to vinyl is have the proper tools and have the proper transfer tape. So I don't have proper transfer tape. When I started playing with my vinyl, I was using this, which is the contact paper, but it was not a clear contact. This is white, and I wasted so much vinyl. But this is what I used. But I had some clear in my supplies, in my stash. I just couldn't find it. And finally, I found my clear. And this is from Walmart. It's the Easy Liner, the Duck brand. And I love it. So far, it hasn't failed me. And this is definitely the one you want because it's clear. And when you're layering, you could see everything. You're no doubt going to have straight alignment with your layering pieces. So that is awesome. So you get clear vinyl right there. And yeah, and also I use my brayering tool to get that vinyl down onto the cutting mat, and also a really pointy pick tool. Like our friends are making those pick tools. I have one here. I mean, it's fine, but it's not a pointy enough tip like this one. You could even go pointier. If I could find my Cricut tools. Yeah. I have a pick tool from Cricut. Here it is. But I think I messed up the tip because I was using it for something else. So I think I messed up. Yeah, I messed up the tip. So it's a little bent. Time to get a new one, Eileen. You see how it's hooked right there? It's supposed to be pointy. I was using it on something else, and yeah. So that's the Cricut brand, but you know, they do carry these picks at Dollar Tree, so more inexpensive. I would go to Dollar Tree and buy a bunch of these. That way, if you do mess up your tip, I know I have some. I just have to find it. That's the problem. So yeah, that's it. That is it. So use the proper tools. Get a brayering tool. Get some of these spatulas, you know, to smooth down your vinyl when you're doing the layering. And yeah, you could come up with some beautiful, look at that, layering pieces. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this really, really quick video. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.